Hi everyone, I am Mitwa Palkhiwala and today in this video me and my team is going to present our term project for CMPE 272, which is online marketplace. It is presented by Mitwa Palkhiwala, Rohit Sapkal, Sagar Bonde, Arpit Sharma and Sneha. So before we look into our marketplace, let's get a quick look into all the 5 individual websites. So this is the main marketplace that we are using, which is Techista. Techista was founded by me, Mitwa Palkhiwala, and we are dedicated to bring solutions to everyday problems faced by millions of people all over the world. We have expertise in the areas of Internet of Things, embedded systems, and web and mobile applications development. Next we have is Bhagyadip Tours and Travels. So Bhagyadip Tours and Travels is founded by Rohit Sapkal and it's a family owned tour operator and travel agency located in Pune, India. They specialize in tours to Germany as well as Britain, Italy, Eastern Europe, Mexico and the Caribbean. Next is the Learned Inc. The Learned Inc. is founded by Sagar Bonde and they have a deep passion for learning as well as helping others to learn the basic sciences. Therefore, they want to help people learn by creating this portal for the best free courses without unnecessary troubles of searching everywhere across the internet. Next is one called Pro. This is founded by Arpit Sharma. So whether you are in the office or in the field, One Call Pro makes it easy for you to schedule a job, communicate with your customers, make an online reservation, send an estimate or invoice, and take payments. The last and not the least is Techistown. Techistown was founded by Sneha Patil and it's a creative online educational website based in San Jose, California. They aim to help blooming developers to become advanced techies. So now that we have looked into all the 5 websites, let's take a look at the features that we have added in our marketplace. So here are some of the features that we have included. The first one is creation of a user. This we have implemented using Google API integration. So you can do this by logging directly into the Google Gmail. Next we have is tracking of where the user has visited within the marketplace. So whether you visit the Bhagyodaya Tours and Travels, whether you visit the Learned Inc. or the One Call Pro or Techistown or the Techiesta, doesn't matter. If you are in the marketplace, you are being tracked. Third point is user can add, edit and view the ratings and reviews of products or services. So this means that you can add your reviews and ratings for a product. Suppose you have added but you want to update that. So you can do that as well. And lastly, you can also view your as well as others ratings and reviews for that product. The fourth point is presentation of 5 most visited services in each member company. And last is presentation of 5 most visited services in the whole of the marketplace. Now let's look into the additional features that we have added. So the first point, as I said earlier, we have integrated Google API for Google sign-in. So next point we have is fancy UI, which I'll be showing you in few seconds. Third point is presentation of top 5 services in each member company. That is the best 5 rated services in each companies. Next we have is presentation of the top 5 services in the whole of the marketplace. After this, let's get a look into the main big challenge that we faced during implementation. So the challenge that we faced was cross-domain cookies for tracking which products or services the user has visited. So we were trying to use the cookies for getting the data from every website of the products or services that the user had visited, but we learned that cookies work only on a single domain and can work on their subdomains, but it cannot work on different on a whole different domain. So we use the database to store the tracking details of the user to tackle this challenge. Now let's take a look into the fancy UI. So for that we need to go to our website, which is Techista, and mitwapalkiwala.com is the domain for that. So as you can see here, this is the navigation bar, and as you hover over the different sections, it will get highlighted by giving you a border. This place here next you can see here is the highlights of the company that is rotating by itself, and you can also rotate it by yourself. Next we have is about us, which is the core team company, and here are the main three people who have founded the company. And as you can see, when you hover over their photographs, you will find details about the person. Next we have is what we do and the services. These are the 10 services that we are providing, and as you hover over each of them, they will get enhanced. Next we have are the links of various features that we have added in this project, and as you can see, once you hover over the link, that will get enhanced to make sure that you know that you are on this link. Next we have is Techie Star in News. So this is basically the achievements that we have accomplished till now, and we have got featured into various publications in newspaper and all. And this is how you can find out the more details. You can click on plus, and these are the details that you will find about the publication. Next we have is contact us section. Here are the details where you can contact us. Next and last but not the least is the marketplace. So these are the four websites that we have merged to this marketplace, and as you hover over each of them, you'll find that it will get enhanced. Now whichever website you want to go, just click on that and it will take you to that website. So as you can see like this, and once you go back, it will be back. Now, if you want to go up, then simply click this button and it will scroll up directly. No need to do anything else. So this is it about the fancy UI. Now I handle it over to Rohit for the test cases.
Thank you, Mitwa. My name is Rohit Sapkal and I'll be explaining next two test cases of our product. The first test case is to review or rate the product. User needs to be logged in first, and we have implemented this using Google Sign-in. And the second test case is user can see his ratings and reviews on that page after he has successfully rated or reviewed the product. So let's go to the Google Chrome. Let's go to Mitwa Palkhiwala website, as it is the main marketplace website. So here you can see a links to different websites. So let's go to Bhagatip Travels. Here you can see a link for products and services, but it's under secure section. So to access this, you need to be signed in first. So let's click on products and services. So it's redirecting me to the Google sign in, as I have already not signed in into it. So let's just sign in with Google. So once you are successfully signed in with Google, you will get an access to this page. Here you can see different products of the website. So let's go to book a trip to USA. So here you can rate the product, as I have already rated the product using the same email ID. So I can see my ratings here, subcore 007, and the comment, and this is the overall rating of all users, and these are the all reviews. So this time let's rate, uh, as, let's give 1 star, and let's give a comment as awesome 123. So let's post this comment. So see, the your rating has been changed, it's 1 now, and comment is also changed, so it's awesome 123. So let's copy this URL and let's paste it in another tab. So as I have already logged in into this website, I'm getting a direct access to this URL. So now let's log out from one of the tab and let's refresh in another tab. So now it's redirecting me to the login page once again, as I have logged out from the website. The next test cases will be explained by Arpit Sharma. Thank you.
My name is Arpit Sharma and I will be presenting the next two test cases. So let's go to the marketplace and open one of the company websites. Let's say one call. I will jump into the services section of the company website. As it is a secured section, it is asking me for a login, and I'm logging in using Google. Let's open one of the services, let's say flooring. So as this service has not been reviewed yet, we can see that this product has not been reviewed yet. So let's go and review this product with all stars and let's say nice service. So I can see that the service, the review and rating for the service has been posted, and let's go and try to rate it for the second time. I will rate it 2 stars and post like test it. Okay, so if I'm trying to rate this same service for the second time, I can see that the earlier review is nice service. If I try to rate and review the service for the second time, it will update the existing review. So reviewing a service for the second time does not lead to addition of 2 reviews, and it just simply updates the existing review. This is the third test case. Okay, and if I go to the home page now, and if I log out and log in using another email address, and if I open the same service, the newly logged in user will be able to see the reviews and ratings posted by another users. So the fourth test case is that every user will be able to see the ratings and reviews given by all the users in this ratings and reviews section. So if this the logged in user rates and reviews a product, then his ratings and reviews will be visible in this section, your ratings and your reviews, and the overall ratings section will contain the average of all the ratings and reviews of all the users which have given the reviews and ratings for this service. This is the fourth test case. I will now forward the presentation to Sagar. Thank you.
Thanks, Arpit. I'm Sagar and I will be explaining the next 2 test cases. So the next feature is user can see all the products and services visited by him earlier on the master website. So for that matter, let's log in as a new user. I am logged in as a new user, Sagar Bonde. Let's go to the home page. Here is the feature. Click here to view services you visited. So here is the user history, it's showing all the pages that have been visited till now. So for now we are populating around 50 pages last visited. Let's make a random visit to another page and let's see if it shows up here. So this is another member website, the learnit.com, and I'm visiting this course out here, Introduction to Programming. So here is the Introduction to Programming. Let's rate this course. I have rated is awesome course. Yeah, so let's see if it shows in the user history. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, so here it is, Introduction to Programming. The course we have visited, Introduction to Programming, is we are able to see it here. Let's visit another website and another service. Let's say flight booking. So I have just visited the flight booking. I'm rating the flight booking, say 5. Best trip, I have rated it. Let's go back and refresh the page. Yeah, here we are able to see flight booking. So the next test case is for 5 most visited places on the marketplace. So let's go to the marketplace. So here it is. Click here to view 5 most visited services in the marketplace. So here, as we are able to see, the 5 services are flooring, the CSS course, flight booking, book a trip to USA, and MongoDB. Here it's also showing the number of times this particular page has been visited by me as a user, and that's it. So this is all about the 5 most visited services. I would like to hand over to Sneha further.
Thank you, Sagar. Hi, I am Sneha and I will be presenting next two test cases for our marketplace. Let's move ahead. The first test case is user can see 5 best rated services in the whole marketplace. Let's go to the links that navigate us towards the 5 most rated services on the marketplace. Here is the hyperlink. Once we click on here, we see that these are the services that are top 5 on our marketplace. These come from different companies in our marketplace. Then the second test case that we have for you is user can see most visited products or services of individual websites. So let's, for instance, pick Techies Town. We can see 5 most visited services on Techies Town through this link. Yeah, these are the 5 most visited services currently on Techies Town. Let me see if I can make an entry into this particular list. I will have to be clicking at least 10 times for a service to make an entry in this particular list. So I will be doing it offline, and then let's see, I will be clicking on MongoDB service. So let's see if it makes an entry. Let me show one entry and then we can move ahead. So let's go to the marketplace. MongoDB, choose MongoDB as a service. This one being a secure session, I will have to log in. MongoDB. Okay, this is my first visit to this page. You don't have to see how many times I click on it, so I will go offline and then show the list. Yeah, I have now visited MongoDB page a number of times. Let's see if it has made its entry into this particular list, 5 most visited services on Techies Town. Yes, as you can see, it has made its entry. It is viewed 15 times, and that is all with the test cases from my end. I will be handing over to Mitwa. Mitwa, over to you.
Thank you, Sneha. Yes, I'm Mitwa Palkhiwala and I'm back to show you the last two test cases of our project. The first one is to show you the best rated or top 5 services of each individual company. So let's start with Techista. Here, as you can see, these are the top 5 services of Techista. And let's now go back and go to some other company. Let's see this top 5 most rated services on Bhagyatip Tours and Travels, and as you can see, these are the top 5 services of Bhagyatip Tours and Travels. Again, let's go back and let's try one more, and let's take a look in the 5 best rated services on Techies Town, and these are the services that are most rated or top 5 services on Techies Town. And the last test case is if you can see the uh, products or services if you are logged in, but let's try to log out and check the product again. So now that I have logged out, let's go into the web design again and see. As you can see, you cannot go into the product without signing in, so you have to log in again, and once you are done, you can visit the page as it is. So this is one of the test cases, and here we are done with all 10 test cases, and this is it about our project. Thanks for watching and give us our feedback in the comments below. Thank you.